Here's how to use the Semrush SEO writing assistant. Now, if you want some help writing an article, maybe you've written an article, but you wanted it to be analyzed, maybe it has enough keywords, have enough depth, all of that stuff, I'll show you how to use the Semrush tool. Now, let's open up a web browser here, and you can see once you're on Semrush, you can see under content marketing is the SEO writing assistant. Now, you will have to pay for this. However, my partner Semrush gave me this link. All you need to do is click on the link. I'll leave it in the description down below. Once you get to that link, you just get the 7-day free trial of Semrush. Just hit start free trial and enter your email and you're good to go. Now, after you've done that, let's go back in here and we can go to analyze my text. And let's say this is your article, this gardening article. So I'm just going to copy this text, Command C, and then paste it in here. Now you can see content recommendations. I can hit get recommendations. Oh, I need to enter my keywords here. Forgot about that. I'm going to just say gardening and I'm going to say planting, spring, etc. Now let's hit get recommendations and it will analyze my writing. So analyze the basically description in here. It says basically has some information, readability, too long paragraph, consider splitting into fewer paragraphs or into a few paragraphs. And then all you need to do is hit split and it will go through that process. You can choose to accept it or reject it. Now on here, if we go down, you can see here target, it says tone of voice or originality, readability, or SEO, depending on your specific preference. Now the nice thing too is you can use the smart rewriter. You can hit rephrase and you can enter this in. Let's paste it in again and just hit rephrase. And oh, that might have been too many words. So let's use a shorter paragraph and hit rephrase. Oh, that might still be too many. Let's just use it paragraph by paragraph, hit rephrase, and it will go through the process of rephrasing that specific paragraph, and you can paste that into your article. Basically, it will give you more hints as well, readability. Consider writing some more text. It's not really as long as it would recommend. Your article has no headline. You might want to add that. You might want to use certain keywords, add recommended keywords. Too many links, it would recommend fewer links, tone of voice, etc. Basically, it will give you some ideas of what you should and shouldn't do in an article so that it kind of meets the proper or the best SEO kind of practices. So once you go through this list and everything says that it's good, then you know that you have a great article that you can then just copy it from here and paste it into your website or your blog or for your YouTube video or anything like that. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.